dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is hydrocarbons. What are hydrocarbons? A hydrocarbon is a compound made up of hydrogen and carbon only. That's called hydrocarbon. Hydrogen plus carbon gives hydrocarbon. What a compound is? Compound is made of two or more substances in a fixed proportion. For example, if you take the example of water made of hydrogen and oxygen and in the proportion of 2 is to 1. And the types of examples of hydrocarbon are just as methane, which has one carbon atom, 4 hydrogen atoms, and ethane, C2H6, having 2 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. Carbon and hydrogen. The most important natural source of hydrocarbon is petroleum or the crude oil, which is obtained from the underground oil deposits by the drilling of wells. The natural gas which occurs above petroleum deposits also contains hydrocarbons. Then there are types of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are of two types. One is the saturated hydrocarbon and other is the unsaturated hydrocarbon. तो saturated hydrocarbon जो है, saturated hydrocarbons किन्हें कहते हैं? Saturated hydrocarbons are also called alkanes. These are those hydrocarbons in which the carbon atoms are connected by only single bonds. Those hydrocarbons are called saturated hydrocarbons. Means those hydrocarbons in which carbon atoms are connected by only single bonds, they are called saturated hydrocarbons and are also called as alkanes. An alkane is a hydrocarbon in which carbon atoms are connected by only single covalent bonds. There are no double or triple bonds in alkanes. The name of all these saturated hydrocarbons end with ANE. First, its name is ALK. If we read it suffix, that is ANE, alkane, and these are called saturated hydrocarbons. Students, this is the carbon, this is one carbon atom and it has 4 valencies. These 4 valencies are connected with the 4 hydrogen atoms and it share the electrons to make a single covalent bond and forms methane, that is CH4. So this is methane, second one is ethane, third one is propane, and fourth one is butane. This methane has 1 carbon atom, ethane has 2 carbon atoms which are connected with single bonds. This propane has 3 carbon atoms having 3 single bonds, and in butane 4 carbon atoms are connected with single covalent bonds. The general formula of the saturated hydrocarbons is CnH2n plus 2. Means if the number of carbon atoms is 1, then number of hydrogen atoms will be, that is H2n plus 2. That means H2 multiplied by n, and the number of n in carbon atoms is 1. That means 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2. So that means if the number of carbon atoms in a compound or a hydrocarbon is 1, then its number of hydrogen atoms will be 4, and this compound is known as saturated hydrocarbon or the methane, while as the second one will be ethane. The names and molecular formula of the first 5 saturated hydrocarbons of alkanes are: this is methane, and methane has number of carbon atoms 1, while as its molecular formula is CH4, that means it must have 4 hydrogen atoms. And second one is ethane. It has 2 carbon atoms and its number of hydrogen atoms is 6, while as propane, it has 3 carbon atoms and its molecular formula is C3H8, while as butane, it has 4 carbon atoms and its number of hydrogen atoms or the molecular formula is C4H10. And next one is pentane. Pentane has 5 carbon atoms and its molecular formula is C5H12. Means the general formula of these alkanes or the saturated hydrocarbons is CnH2n plus 2. First, the number of carbon atoms is 1, then this number of hydrogen atoms will be CnH2n. H2n means 2 multiplied by 1. If it is if the number of carbon atom is 2, then you have to multiply the number of hydrogen atoms 2 into 2, that is 2 2s are 4, and you have to add 2, that means 6. So in the similar way, you will get the different types of various types of these saturated hydrocarbons. Thanks beta. See you in next class. Take care of health. Assalamu alaikum.